My son was doing an oil change last week and managed to spill some oil on the driveway. I've used a pressure washer and amazingly it's actually cleaned the underlying bricks, but it hasn't actually removed the oil. So I want to try and have another go at removing this. You can see here where the jet washer's gone, it's actually removed all of this dirt and cleaned the bricks, but it hasn't removed the oil. So what I'm going to do is to use some brake and clutch cleaner and a toothbrush and just try and rub that in and see if we can get some of this staining out. So just got a small amount of brake and clutch cleaner in a little dish and just going to try scrubbing this, seeing if it does actually make any difference. Let it soak in, give it an hour or so. This is now dried and you can see there's still some marks there, but it has actually improved quite a lot. So I'll give it another go with some more brake cleaner and hopefully that will finish it off and fix it. You compare the before and after, you'll see quite a big difference there.